In this work, we present a method for integrating model-based control and reinforcement learning for zero-shot sim-to-real transfer of tight insertion policies. Assuming that we want to insert a plug into a socket of corresponding shape, we follow the steps highlighted in this diagram. During offline training, a model-based approach is deployed first to generate a policy for inserting the plug to the socket, given access to their 3D models and full observability. The policy arises from a potential field, which consists of two components: an attractive one directing the plug towards the medial axis of the socket at every time step, and a repulsive one forcing it away from in collision states that could prohibit insertion. The success rate of the model-based policy, however, significantly decreases as noise is introduced. For this reason, the approach trains a residual policy via reinforcement learning that is to be added to the output of the model-based policy to correct errors. The residual RL policy is trained using a curriculum scheme that progressively increases the observation noise and scales the contribution of the RL policy. Initially, the maximum observation noise is set close to zero, and the potential field contributes the resulting action. When the number of successful trials hits a certain percentage, the maximum allowed observation noise increases, and the actions of the RL module are progressively weighed more heavily up to the point of equal contribution with the model-based policy. The policy is trained exclusively in simulation using IsaacZim and given only sparse rewards. As a last step, the overall policy is transferred zero-shot to a real robotic setup given estimations of the plugs and the socket's poses by a visual tracker. These videos demonstrate the sim-to-real transfer performance on objects inspired by the NIST Taskboard Challenge. We also conduct real experiments with custom objects of assorted geometries and for even lower levels of tolerance. Our method has also been applied on household objects with rich contact dynamics which were never seen during training. The proposed method is systematically compared with alternatives for two object categories where it outperforms the comparison points, especially as objects and conditions get more challenging. An ablation study has evaluated the contributions of different components of the proposed methods and alternative choices for some of its components. The proposed integration outperforms the alternatives,